Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export payoneer data to Google Sheets. So just log into my account and right now I will just tab on this activity transactions, and the top right corner you will see the page icon. Just tab on it at the top right corner, just tab on it for transactions details which you have been data on monthly or yearly. So here is select the currency of your payments and just select the year and month. So I will just in 2024 just tab on August. So it will be loading my statement, you will see. So from here, first thing is you will have to download this your statement of payoneer. Just save it in PDF, and after you will just move into Google Sheets. So this is the procedure. Your payoneer data will export to Google Sheets easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.